Hi, welcome back. I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor, and this is another video in my series of how do I use this thing, a Theraband or resistance band. So I wanted to show you guys. I bought this for about $10. You'll probably find it $10, $15, depending on the thickness and weight of the band. And I wanted to show you, it just comes, in this roll. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out a piece. What I would do is I'd probably stand on it and I'd want it to come, probably just maybe to my waist or a little bit above my waist, and then you're gonna cut it. So I'm just gonna show you guys that, how easy this is and how you could use this for your exercises. So put this off to the side. And the next thing that you can do is you can tie a knot on each end just to kind of give you a little bit of a grip that way. You don't have to, but it might be kind of nice. So let me just do that quickly to show you. And then, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel with your friends. And also, if there's a video that you would like to know on some kind of mystery sports equipment that maybe you've seen before and don't know how to use, let me know in the comments. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is show you a few exercises you can do with this Theraband or any kind of resistance bands. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to have my palms facing up and I'm going to have my elbows tied at my side, and it's going to kind of work the front of your shoulder or rotator cuff. And all you're going to do is you're going to just kind of you're going to extend it out, to my sides, and then I'm going to come back forward. So I do have a little slack in the middle here, and then I go out and back. So this is a great one you can do to strengthen your rotator cuff. Great for after a shoulder injury, or just if a great exercise that you want to try. So you've got this one. Then there's many exercises you can do standing on this band. And I'm going to show you a couple. So you can stand with one foot or with two is going to make it harder. One foot's going to make it easier. And my elbows are still tight and I'm going to do a bicep curl. See that? And then if I shorten it by standing a little wider, it's going to become harder, but you're going to do a bicep curl this way. And if you think, oh, this is too hard, if you just put one foot on it, that's going to make it a little easier. So you've got all these different options. You could do also standing on this here. I can go back here to my 2 feet. You could go a lateral raise, just coming out to the side. You could do front raises. You could also do an upright row. You could cross it here if you'd like, and you're gonna hold it. You're gonna come up, see with my elbows, and back down. So this is called an upright row, and also working the top of your shoulders, you're gonna feel it. There are so many different exercises you can do with this, but I hope you enjoyed just seeing a few of those, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.